Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a blinking icon as a star. So you can implement this effect anywhere you like in your website to give more attraction to your audience. So let's start the video. Okay, so start with adding our basic HTML structure. So let's do it here. So let's start with applying some style to our body tag. We just give style and we just give it some body background, which we just give us height, so we can hide 100 vh, and we give it background linear gradients. We can see to bottom right. We can give magenta just to blue. Okay, let's refresh the browser. Okay, now you can see it, so this looks good. All right, so now let's to get the icon I can use bootstrap. So how you can bootstrap icon into your HTML, I will show you how you can add that. First let make it bigger. Go to getbootstrap.com and click on the top where they say icons, and then directly click here install. You will find this CDN link. Just copy this link and implement this link inside your head tag. Just paste it. Okay, so how you can get that link for the icon? Click on icon again. In the search bar, type star and you will see star fill. So this is the icon we're looking for. We just click here and they already gave the code, so you just simply copy this code and just go to your HTML body tag inside of, just paste it. So now let me see. So right here you can see the star tag. So this is very small, so I'm going to increase the size of it. So let's apply style to this I tag, and we apply font size. We're gonna do font size, let's say 150 pixel, so you can see. Okay, and now color we can give white. All right, so now we want to give the effect like blinking animation to this. So we have to create first iframe. To do that, let me, okay, to do that, just add the red keyframe and give the name to your keyframe. I gave blink curly braces, and now we give a we have to give the initial and final. So the initial we give it with the from, we give opacity to make it go away, like you can see it. So 0, the range of opacity is from 0 to 1, so 0. And the final we give it with the 2, we give opacity to 1. So this is our final animation that we want to show the full star. So but we can add little bit more in the middle of our animation. At 50% we can give color, like you can give color, let's say red. Okay, so this is our animation set. Now we have to add this animation keyframe to our I tag. So just do, let me see, let's do animation. First we start with animation name. The animation name we have blink. Second, how long you want this animation to be finished, like what's the duration of your animation. So we want this to be finished within animation, let's see, 2 seconds first, so you can see what is exactly happening. Yeah, so you can see it's changed it to white after that. So but this is the initial stage. So now let's do animation. We want this in continuous, so we have to do animation iteration. So we select this infinite, and now it will be continuously blinking like this. And to make it little smooth, we have to use animation timing function, so it will be go smooth linear. It gives us like a static effect to our animation. And next, now you can it's blinking, so we can decrease the time to complete our animation. We give this 500 millisecond. So now you can see it's converting to red and white, and this is blinking. So this is how you can give the blinking effect in our elements of HTML. You can give any color for, but right now our the star is at the top in our HTML document, so we want this in the middle, like somewhere here. So how you can do that? We can simply apply some style in our body to make it. We apply display first. Display we do as a flex, and then we want justify content, where we want our content center. So first it will move into the center of our body, as you can see here. And next we want this to go right here in the middle. So to do that we have to give align items. So align items we use center again. So now you can see now it's in the middle of our screen, because our body height is 100 vh. 100 vh means it's a viewport out our screen height. So this is my monitor height, and this is exactly in the middle of my screen. So this is how you make your element in the middle. So that's it for the video. So this is how you can give this blinking effect in our website. So if you really like my video, please make sure to subscribe, help my channel, and I'm gonna bring more interesting topics in CSS series. So be sure you to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.